Hey, what's up everyone? It's a Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, go ahead and click on that subscribe button at the end of this video because I promise you sis, you're gonna love your girl. I come every week to slay new looks like this right here. I like to stay on trend with my looks. I like to make sure that I'm paying attention to what's really happening in the hair community, in the hair world, because a lot of times we see looks on Instagram, we see looks in music videos, we see looks all over the place, and we want to know how can we get that kind of look at home. So just for the record, I'm an everyday girl just like you. I know that I'm here on a platform, but at the end of the day, I'm just a regular girl that just does wigs. So this is a look that I came up with today, and this look was inspired by your good old girl Nicki Minaj, Nicki the Ninja, Nicki the Harajuku Barbie, and all that. So yes, obviously, you know, she released her Good Form music video, I want to say at least like a month or so ago now. I'm not exactly sure on the time frame, but she did this look, and the only difference is that I added in these hair piercings, and I will tell you guys all about that. If you guys are an oldie but goodie, then you guys already know about these hair piercings, but I wanted to show you guys a different way that you can wear them as well. So it's kind of like a double whammy little situation here. So if you want to know how I got the Nicki Minaj Good Form braids, then continue watching. I prefer doing this while it's wet rather than doing it when it's dry, because it's a lot easier to braid this kind of hair when it's wet. So I did pull the baby hairs out already that I am going to use, and I didn't like braid it all the way on the sides. I only braided like this portion of the hair, and then the rest of the sides are down. I do plan on maybe like doing some curls in it or something. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it straight. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on this side of the hair. Like I said, everything is bleached already. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to, well, I can record myself braiding the other side, but it's just gonna be hard to see once I get to the back, because I feel like I would need to hold it up at this angle in order for you guys to see like how I braid. But if you know how to braid, you pretty much just gonna take like this portion of the hair, braid all of this to the back, and then do a braid down. So if you know how to do cornrows, that's pretty much all that I did here.
Sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. We like, lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on checks. See the shots that I took, wet like on Brooke, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. till I land, have me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, some Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so now that I have my wig in place, I just took some bobby pins and then pinned my braids back so they're not like hanging down like predator braids. So now what I'm gonna do, I went to the beauty supply store again. And I know I don't have my makeup on and everything yet, but I went to the beauty supply store again and I got some more of these hair rings. I got some more of the cross ones and then I got some different ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in my hair. I took one of the crosses off from my old one just to see how it would look. So I can like put some rings. There's one. Okay. And then for the other ones, I kind of want to do the same thing and like take the crosses off and just keep like the hoops or whatever. So I'm gonna do like another one right here. Messed up my bobby pin. I got well, that's too far back, I think. Another one like right here. Okay, guys, so what I did was I put the pins here and I just took out the braid and then flat ironed the hair. So this is what the hair looks like flat iron for the most part. The only thing that I pretty much changed is just taking out that braid. So you want to keep this braid in. I was going to keep the braid, but then I was like, well, if I keep the braid, then it's not going to look like her hair. And I'm trying to get that Nicki Minaj little, you know, how her hair was in the music video. So I want to keep it exactly how it is and just still, I can still have the little piercings or whatever, just put them at the top of the braid. So what I did was I kept the braid in. I still have my bobby pin in right here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rubber band and then put the rubber band wherever I want this to end. So I am going to take my bobby pins out or whatever, but I know that just from looking at my bobby pins, and make sure you have like all the rest of this hair out of the way because you don't want to end up putting that in a rubber band. So I'm just going to go at the base of that braid and then just put the rubber band around. And then try to do this as tight as you possibly can. Like, you don't want this to be loose. Because once you unravel your braid, you don't want the rest of this to unravel. So now that I have my rubber band in, you guys can't see it because it's black. But now that I have my rubber band in, I can now take out the braid. So I did have a rubber band at the end of this braid, so I just took that off right now and then just unravel it. And then flat iron your hair. My flat iron is plugged up in my bathroom, so I'm gonna flat iron my hair in there. I mean, you guys, it's a flat iron. It's not really much to see. So the main focus is the braids. So what I am gonna do is I'm just gonna add another one of these rings and just put it back here. Boom. Right. And then I'm gonna tighten this, and I'm still going to use my bobby pin, the one I had earlier, and then I'm just gonna pin this back down right here. So now I'm just gonna go straighten out this side, but you guys see what this side looks like. This side could actually be straightened out a little bit more. I just rushed and did it real quick so I can come on camera with y'all and then show y'all, like, you know, what the hair is looking like and everything. Okay, you guys, so this is a finished look or whatever. This is my hair. I went ahead and flat ironed the rest of it out. It's super silky straight, and that's one thing that I love about it. Here is my frontal, what it's looking like. The only thing I hate is that my part is crooked, but that's definitely my fault. Nobody else's fault but my own. I did a similar look like this on a closure unit, and when I did that hairstyle, I pretty much did like a part and I braided it down and then I put these on there. But I felt like, you know, you can do hair piercings on a frontal as well, and I thought who better than Nicki Minaj to come through with the look. Of course, Arrogante was responsible for that hairstyle. I've actually seen him do that hairstyle on like a more Jada. I think he did it on her, and for sure he did it on Kyle's sister, so aka Ari. So he did that on her, but these bundles are just like everything. I felt like if I was gonna do like that Nicki Minaj kind of look, I had to make sure that I had like super silky bundles, because her hair was like jet black, just really silky. So I am wearing a 20-inch frontal, and then I have 3 bundles of 24-inch. So this is where it's hitting me. I mean, it's pretty long. The hair has a nice movement to it. The hair is not stiff whatsoever, so that's always a plus when your hair is moving and it's silky, because nobody likes stiff hair. It can be very difficult to find really good quality straight hair, and Alipearl, you are not going to be disappointed. The pros to it is that the hair is super soft, it lays extremely flat, and it flat irons like amazingly. The only con that I would say I had with this hair is just the fact that I felt like the tracks were really thin. If the tracks are thin, it's a good thing because it helps your wig like look really flat. But I prefer my tracks to be a little bit thicker, because the thicker the track, then the more hair. Because I used 3 bundles, but this is kind of like the same density I would get if I used 2 bundles. The shipping time was extremely fast, like within a matter of days. They did ship my hair to me via DHL. And as far as like little free perks, I did get a free wig cap, which is always great. If you're new to like hair extensions or anything like that, they do provide you with this hair care card, which I thought was very helpful, because a lot of times people buy hair but they don't really know like how to maintain the hair, how to take care of it. I'm absolutely loving this hair. I did just put like some oil in my hair, so that's why it looks like a little bit shiny up here. I kind of put too much. I should actually press it out to like distribute it throughout the rest of the hair. So this hair, like I said, is from Alipearl. It is just flawless. Like, I have really nothing bad to say about this hair at all. Like I said, it doesn't have any smells, there's no tangling. I mean, the movement is just on point. Like, this is that Instagram baddie kind of hair. Like, if you want Instagram baddie hair, if you want to look like you're that girl, like, you know, when you're walking, everybody is looking at your hair because it's just so luscious and just like bone silky straight. Like, this is that hair that's gonna have everybody asking you, girl, where'd you get your hair from? And you can let them know you got it from Alipearl. Also, if you want to save some money on your bundles, you can use my discount code DOM, that's D-O-M, during your checkout, and you can get $10 off of your order. So, you know, that's even better. This hair is already very affordable, so the fact that you can get an extra discount is just like A1. Alipearl's website is PayPal friendly, so if you weren't comfortable putting in your credit card information or your debit card information, no worries, because you can use your PayPal account, which for me, I prefer to use PayPal because I feel like it makes every shopping experience that much more simple and easy and quick. Like, you don't have to put in all of that info. You just sign into your account, boom. Confirm the amount that you want to pay, and then that's it. I hope you really like this video. If you like this hair tutorial, let me know down in the comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help your girl out. Let me know that you guys liked it. And I do have some pictures on Instagram, so go ahead and double tap those for me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I play life by my own rules, and I do what I want. Can't hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, this shit sound crazy. Hello? I hate this goddamn phone. I'm gonna call you right back. It was raining like a bitch today. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Hello?
Oh, shit. Oh, it's about to get real.
Oh.
I'm about to beat her ass. I'm like, oh, shit.
Cause a nigga be like, man, I'm stingy with this dick. I ain't no, can't everybody just get this dick? Boy, shut up. That dick ain't even nothing to get. Shut up.